Kiwi, what are you doing?
and she was my protector. She took care of me, and he took her away. He took our worlds and just turned them upside down. He put the whole community through a game. Like it was no big deal.
It's surfing. This is that Warren's doing surf.
I'm really glad I'll never be able to hurt somebody again.
Kiwi!
Without a confession, police could only
Can't
speculate
fucking
what
whistle.
really happened to
Kiwi!
Ashley and Miranda. Hoover
Kiwi!
was angry at Ashley for having accused him of molesting her.
She was a 12-year-old girl. Me and Weaver had been sort of a confidant and trusted adult.
She was up by his house that morning. His
What are you
home
doing?
was located at the top of the
Hey?
hill next to the bus stop.
The opportunity presented itself. She walked into his house that day, and he murdered her.
There was also a theory that Miranda was going up to the bus stop and observed Weaver putting
You love
Ashley
surfing,
into
don't
a
you?
barrel to be placed under the patio.
Hey? Kiwi!
And he murdered
Kiwi!
her to prevent her from saying anything. My sister was just a loving and outgoing young woman who experienced so much at such a young age. Miranda had to grow up so fast.
Hello?
Actually, she was a good girl. It was like having a friend that was also my sister.
Hello?
Yeah, I do miss them.